seriously, masarap mag-comedy kasi it's truth without violence. Like ako kasi yung comedy ko, sana mapanood nyo, I assume mapapanood nyo at some point. Ang comedy ko kasi is point of view. Kasi may mga comedy, like si Alex Calleja for example, siya more on observational siya. Bakit yung mayaman ganito, but may hirap ganito. May ganun din ako, pero yung comedy ko naman more on opinions. So tapos yung opinion nilalagyan ko siya ng comedy. So it's essentially truth without violence because na-realize ko yung mga tao pag napatawa mo, pag na-disarm mo sila, you can now talk anything under the sun. So alam mo ba may nanonood sa akin DDS, may nanonood sa akin Kakamping, 'di ba? So and yet pag nandoon sila sa show, nakakalimutan nila yung away nila.
Galing.
And I think it's very nice. So I'm able now to get across any sentiment, articulate anything that I would want to articulate. And at the end of the day, you also shape minds in one way or another.